Hi, I'm Dave,
And I'm Marie.
and we're the Old School Soulmates, and we have a haul video for you today.
Okay.
What do we have first here? What are these?
I have no idea.
If anybody knows what those are, let us know because
Yeah,
we have no idea what this
It
is.
had a weird name in it. They weigh like 400 pounds. They're 100 nails in them, and they're just very, very vintage men's shoes. But I don't know. It feels like there's lead in the heels, honestly.
Yeah.
But
they're like a wooden heel, I think, on it.
Yeah, so I picked them up.
We picked them up. We're going to do some research on it. If you happen to know of a wooden shoe with no markings, there's sort of a something inside of it. We couldn't really make it out.
I could barely read it. So yeah.
Anyway, that's the first one.
Yeah. And the next one's here. This is a pair of Thin Comforts, and these are a consistent comfort shoe. They have a real similar insole to Birkenstocks.
Mm-hmm.
So, and they're kind of sized the same way. They have removable insoles, and European comfort shoe. These are fresh from Goodwill, so they need some touching up, and polishing I'm going to do, but that's those. These are Bruno Magli's. These are men's Italian loafers. These are handmade in Italy. It says right here. Again, you got to make sure they've still got some life left in here. I mean, these are getting close, but these are the type of shoes that people resole. These were half price at our Goodwill because yellow was half price, so they were $3. So, and they're a good seller. They're a high-end shoe. So, yeah. Not the best color, because that burgundy's not the best color nowadays, but, they're still a good shoe. This is a pair of Danskos, not your standard Danskos, but a pair of Danskos nonetheless. These have a different type of sole than the black ones that we've been having problems with recently, and that's why I bought them. We're going to try to get away from the stapled clogs, I think, because we just seem to have been having problems with these.
They keep disintegrating on us.
So... But this is a cute little pair of wedge booties.
We paid $5 for these, $6 for these,
$5.99.
And
that's the standard price.
What do they probably bring?
Probably $29.95.
Okay.
Yeah. The next pair we have here, this is a pair of Clark's deck shoes. They look a lot like the Sperry's. These particular ones here, they were, these probably don't bring a ton of money, but they were in excellent condition, almost like new.
They're kind of cool looking too.
I've never seen them before, red, white, and blue.
Yeah.
So real unique. So I figured they'll probably sell. They're very, very little wear at all. So these were $7.99.
Yep. Still got the tags on them.
Yep. The next pair is a pair of GH Basses. This is one of those normal brands that we get all the time. They're popular though, so I picked them up. They just need a little bit of edge dressing and a quick cleaning, and they should be ready to go. And these are probably $34.95 if I had to guess.
Paid $8 for them. So.
Yep.
Mm-hmm. These are, just to point out, these got it all. They got a kilt, a tassel.
Yep, loafers.
Are they penny loafers? They're not penny loafers, no, but they're mock toe, kilty,
tassel.
and tassel.
Yep. Yeah. These we've picked up a pair of these before. These are Florsheim. Oil resistant. They're called Florsheim Work. These are steel-toed loafers that look like regular loafers, but they are steel-toed. So, and they were $7.99 also. So, people that work in factories and so forth are required to wear steel-toe shoes, and
right.
Makes
so we paid $8 for those. And
yep.
How much will we get for
probably $39. Yeah, exactly. This right here. This is a pair of Cole Haans. Again, kilty, tassel, woven, mock toe, a lot of little things going on here. These, again, these are the type of shoes that people will resole, but the uppers are well cared for by the person who had them before us. So they just need a little bit of dressing, and, they have, normal wear on the soles is how I word it. And the heels aren't too bad either.
Yeah.
There's a little wear on there, but... Yeah. Cole Haan's a good name, and these particular ones, I think I picked these up. These were 99 cents.
Yeah, can't go wrong with that. And they'll bring what?
Probably 39 to 49. Yep, okay. Depending. These are Merrell's. Merrell's men's especially seem to do well. solid seller, comfort shoe. Merrell's women's haven't been doing well. These are a size 13, so that always helps. They just need a little bit of polish and so forth, but not the wear on the sole is not too bad. And these were half price as well, so they were $3.50.
Right, so we'll bring how much?
Probably $39.
Okay.
Yep.
Yeah, I thought it was interesting on this one. I first saw this. I don't know if you could see that on there. There's a, it looks like wear. I thought it was like, well, that's got a weird wear pattern. And it's actually a map of the world, I guess,
Something
right
like
there. It looks
that,
like
yeah.
that's the United States and South America and everything. Okay, so, yeah, anyway. So if you see that,
Yeah.
don't be like me. Just
This is another pair of Danskos. These also don't have that kind of sole that breaks down. These are an older style and so forth. I got these for 99 cents also at we have this little thrift store that has like a yard sale every weekend. So they need some love and some care and some cleaning again as usual. But
these soles are okay.
Yep. Oh yeah, these were different. These were $4.99.
Yeah.
But that was at that other thrift store that we go to. So yep. And that, like I said, I'm hoping I'll get $34.95 for those.
Okay.
Yep.
Oh, we've already done these. Yeah, there we go.
These are Joseph Seibels. They're always a good seller. These particular ones here are, the bottoms of these are like new. These were $5.99. Very popular comfort shoe. These have, width is H, and that normally means wide in the European world. It's like our C width in women's, but these are real unusual. I haven't seen anything like these. Yeah. So, yep. So I paid $5.99, and I really don't know what I'll get for these. I'm gonna say that I should probably get $39.95 at least. You know. So, but they just need a little bit of cleaning, and they're ready to go.
Speaking of Joseph Seibel,
here's another pair of Joseph Seibels. These are just some gold flats, but the soles on these were excellent. Very little wear on these also. I said no wear at all on the heels. So, but they're just a real cute little flat and very nice, size 8. And these were $5.99. Now we've got just a few pieces of clothing that I picked up. We're trying to be pretty selective on our clothing. So, St. John is a women's kind of a high-end clothing brand. This is an older version of it, and it says St. John by Marie Gray. And and I had a green one. I don't know if you saw in the earlier videos that these are just cardigan sweaters. But, these are selling in the 50s. And so I decided I'd pick it up. It was in good shape and very pretty sweater. So I think and these type of things, we get them for $4.99. So
what kind of material is that?
Just a polyester.
Just polyester,
yeah,
nothing
exactly.
special.
No, they just happen to sell. So I should, hopefully get $40 for it, and I only paid $4.99. Stumbled upon this. This is from the Atlanta Braves. This is, that satin type of baseball jacket,
disco jacket from the 70s,
and
80s.
I think it's made in the USA. So.
Yeah.
It's officially
the back of it here.
Officially licensed. This is all embroidery, So, I think I've got this. This is going to be probably around $39, right in that area. But it was in excellent shape, like it was brand new.
Where we get that at Goodwill, or?
Yep, I got it at our Goodwill. Yeah. Yep. So it
was $4.99. It says official Major League Baseball stuff in it too. So.
And it's made by all different manufacturers throughout the years. This particular one I hadn't heard of, and. So you look it up and you'll see others just like it, and they were real popular in the day for making this type of clothing for baseball teams. Yep. Okay. And this is, last but not least, I had to wash this, so this has already been washed, but it's ready to go. This is also, there's the logo, Major League Baseball. This is Majestic, which is a real common manufacturer of sporting goods.
You see a lot of that.
Yep. So this is a vintage one also, and this is the Phillies. Mm-hmm. Yep. So just a nice pullover. Boy, I use a lot of fabric softener on that. It smells really nice. So, but red, white, and blue Phillies pullover, windbreaker, lining. And you know, what you look for in this kind of stuff, look at the cuffs. That's one of the first places I look because that takes a beating. And the cuffs were great. I always look at the white, you know, to make sure there's nothing. You're going to see dirt on things, but you know what can come out. If you scrape your finger across it and it's starting to disappear, you can wash it out.
Yep.
Yep.
All right, well, that was a short little haul for you, but we wanted to show you a few things that we found this weekend and past weekend.
Yep.
And so we'll leave it at there. If you like what you see, give us a thumbs up. Consider subscribing to our channel. Helps us out. Gets more people to see it. And click the little bell if you want to be notified once you're subscribed, and you'll never miss a video. So.
And look for the stuff in our What's Sold on eBay videos, because I'm sure these will be selling quickly.
Right. Good night.
Good night. That wraps up this video. If you have any suggestions for what you'd like to see in future videos, please let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to hit the like button, and please subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.